Good day everyone, I am Jade Kilingin. In this discussion, we shall tackle what is RA 9344 all about. Today, it is very noticeable that many young individuals and minors are committed crimes such as robbery, drug-related cases, homicide, and sometimes up to the extent of murder. This is very important issue that we need to talk about, especially in our country, which is the thoughts. So, Republic Act 9344 Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act is approved during presidency of Gloria Macapagal Arroyo on April 28, 2006. RA 9344 Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act is an act establishing a comprehensive juvenile justice and welfare system, creating the Juvenile Justice and Welfare Council under the Department of Justice. Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act is a system giving a special treatment and protection to juvenile delinquency. When we talk about juvenile delinquency, it's a crime committed by the youth who is under the age of 18 years old. Juvenile Justice and Welfare is an act that the system how to act or treat the minor children who commit the crimes, provide child appreciate proceedings, including programs and services for prevention, diversion, rehabilitation, reintegration, and aftercare to ensure their normal and development. So the main reason of this law is the protection of children of youth, physically, morally, spirituality, intellectually, and social against any prejudicial act that may endanger them, especially in the term of legal proceedings. Let's proceed to the terms and ponder. 1. Children. Child, any human being below the age of 18 years old, unless under the law applicable to a child's majority is attained earlier. Number 2. Children at risk is experiences or risk of abuse, neglect, or other kinds of harm has need for care and support, whether or not the authority is meeting any of those. According to RA 9394, called child at risk, they are vulnerable victim of crimes or they the one who commit the crimes because might have a personal problem, family problem, also the situation of environment they adapt, or it might be abuse that's why they are at risk of committing a crimes. 3. Child in conflict with the law. It refers to anyone under 18 who comes in contact with the justice system as the result of being suspected or accused of committing an offense. In simply explanation of this, they are the children who commit the crime, either they are accused or committing a criminal act. They are called child in conflict with the law. 4. Diversion program refers to the program that CICL is required to undergo after she or he is found responsible for an offense without resorting to formal court proceeding. When a certain child found guilty committing the crime, she or he will be detained under the custody of protection of Department of Social Welfare Development or DSWD under the Rehabilitation Center. 5. Intervention Program. An intervention program is a treatment method used by the mental health community and utilized in a number of ways to better the situation of individuals who become dependent on various substances or activities. An intervention program is where the counseling will happen. The social worker or DSWD will talk the child in conflict with the law. Why she or he commit the crime? It might be the child have family problem, financial problem, or because of the poverty. If that's the case, the social worker try to understand the situation of the child and find a solution that the child not to do it again. 6. Status offenses. This refers offenses that can be committed only by the juveniles or would not be a crime if an adult engaged at the same conduct. If the status offenses is the juvenile commit the crimes, they are called offenses, but the adult commit the crimes, they are called criminals. 7. Youth Detention Home. It is a child caring institution providing short-term resident care for youthful offenders, 9 to below 18 years of age, who are waiting court disposition of their cases or transfer to another agencies or jurisdiction. The Youth Detention Home is to provide temporary shelter for children that managed by the LGU or local government unit. 8. Youth Rehabilitation Center refers the 24 hours residential care facility managed by the Department of Social Welfare and Development or DSWD, LGU licensed or credited NGO monitored by DSWD, which provide care, treatment, and rehabilitation services for children in conflict with the law. In this managed by DSWD, the same purpose of existence of youth detention home, they provide temporary shelter for those who are considered at risk who are being accused or abused of committing crimes.